Rev up your engines, tech enthusiasts! The moment we've all been waiting for is finally here. After years of anticipation and a few delays, Tesla's Cybertruck has officially hit the production line. Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this electrifying innovation. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's rewind to 2019, when Elon Musk dropped a bomb on the automotive world with the Cybertruck reveal. This wasn't just another pickup. It was a promise of a futuristic Blade Runner-esque vehicle that defied conventional design. Fast forward to today, and the Cybertruck has become a symbol of innovation and controversy. So why the hype? Stick around as we unravel the story behind the Cybertruck, from its bold design to the long road it took to reach production. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the Cybertruck's exterior. Love it or scratch your head at it, there's no denying that this pickup breaks all the rules. The angular design, sharp edges, and distinctive LED headlights make it a meme-worthy sensation. But it's not just about aesthetics. We'll explore the engineering choices, from the lack of a crumple zone to the impenetrable stainless steel skin. And yes, we'll address the infamous armor glass incident. Is the design a game changer or a risky move? Let's find out. As we dissect the Cybertruck's design, it's crucial to understand the decisions made by Tesla's design team. The absence of rounded corners and flowing lines is more than just a stylistic choice. It's a departure from traditional automotive design. The Cybertruck's exterior is a deliberate deviation, resembling more a polygonal vehicle from a primitive video game than any car currently on the market. The lack of a crumple zone, a safety feature present in most vehicles, raises eyebrows. However, Tesla counters this concern with an impenetrable, ultra-hard 30x gold-rolled stainless steel structural skin. This material, Musk claims, provides unparalleled durability. Yet, the skepticism lingers, especially after the armor glass mishap during the vehicle's unveiling. 2 embarrassing shatters later, questions arise about the practicality of such design choices. The Cybertruck's bold design may have some unexpected benefits. Shortly after the first production example rolled off the line, Tesla revealed that despite having 4 doors like other double-cab trucks, it measures less than 19 feet and boasts a bed over 6 feet long. This design innovation allows it to outclass its chief rival, the Ford F-150 Lightning, with a longer bed making it a practical choice for hauling and storage. Its shorter length also addresses concerns about fitting into standard garages, showcasing a balance between bold aesthetics and real-world functionality. Beyond the exterior, what powers the Cybertruck is where the real magic happens. Musk promised a revolution, and the specs are nothing short of groundbreaking. With 3 variants in the lineup, each boasting different motor configurations, we'll break down the horsepower, torque, and range. From the entry-level pickup to the powerhouse Cyber Beast, we're diving into the numbers and performance that makes this electric truck turn heads on and off the road. While the Cybertruck's exterior may have stolen the spotlight, its performance is what truly sets it apart. When it someday goes on sale, the Cybertruck will be public in 3 distinct variants. The entry-level pickup, which won't launch until 2025, features 1 motor and a rear-wheel drive system. While the 2 and 3 motor models, the latter of which is called the Cyber Beast, will both have all-wheel drive. As you may have guessed, the more motors your Cybertruck has, the better its performance. The tri-motor version can zoom from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. A feat practically unheard of for a production truck. So far, Tesla has only provided specs for the 2 more powerful models. The dual-motor powertrain will produce 600 horsepower and 7,435 foot-pounds of torque. while the tri-motor setup will pump out a staggering 845 horses and 10,296 foot-pounds of twist. The Cybertruck's performance extends beyond acceleration. Tesla claims the dual and tri-motor models will be able to tow 11,000 pounds, rivaling the Rivian R1T and surpassing the Ford F-150 Lightning. The claimed 2,500-pound payload capacity further positions the Cybertruck as a robust workhorse. Despite initial promises of a 500-mile range, the two models boast ranges of 340 and 320 miles respectively. The rear-wheel drive pickup can only drive 250 miles on a charge. In the performance department, the Cybertruck doesn't just compete with other pickups. It challenges the norms of what's possible for an electric vehicle. The blend of power, towing capacity, and range positions it as a formidable player in the automotive arena. As we step inside the Cybertruck, the uniqueness doesn't stop. Sharp angles dominate the interior, creating a Spartan yet roomy environment. With seating for 6 adults and a massive cargo bay, the Cybertruck's interior challenges traditional expectations. We'll explore the dashboard design, the 17-inch touchscreen, and the potential comfort trade-offs. And don't forget the exterior storage options, a fold, trunk, and sailing pillars. Is it a paradigm shift in pickup interiors? Let's take a closer look. The Cybertruck's interior design mirrors the bold choices of its exterior. Sharp angles and a flat, ledge-like dashboard define the cabin. The dashboard hosts a steering wheel and a massive 17-inch touchscreen, contributing to a minimalist and futuristic aesthetic. While some may find the interior Spartan, it undeniably exudes a sense of space and functionality. Tesla claims that the Cybertruck, regardless of the version, can comfortably sit 6 adults. The 6.4-foot truck bed or cargo bay looks genuinely massive, emphasizing the practicality of the interior. Exterior storage, therefore, isn't just about the bed. The Cybertruck offers lockable storage including a fold, trunk, and sailing pillars. This combination of interior and exterior storage solutions positions the Cybertruck as a versatile vehicle catering to both work and leisure needs. As we contemplate the Cybertruck's interior, it's essential to recognize the balance Tesla aims to strike between aesthetics and utility. While the design may not cater to everyone's taste, its functionality and spaciousness make it a contender in the pickup market. But wait, there's more. Elon Musk promised that the Cybertruck would be more than just a pickup, and the accessories prove it. From a base cam tent to a range extender battery pack and a tailgate ramp, the Cybertruck is designed to be versatile. We'll also peek into the world of Cybertruck-inspired projects worldwide, including the Cyberhouse. The question remains, can the Cybertruck transcend the typical pickup experience? Musk's vision for the Cybertruck extends beyond the vehicle itself. In 2019, he enticed enthusiasts with the promise of sick attachments. While we're yet to see the stainless steel Airstream-like trailer teased a couple of years back, other accessories showcased during the delivery event hint at the Cybertruck's potential versatility. The base cab tent is an intriguing addition, offering an outdoor adventure element to Cybertruck owners. The range extender battery pack addresses concerns about the electric vehicle range, providing a practical solution for longer journeys. And the tailgate ramp adds a functional touch, making loading and unloading cargo more convenient. It's evident that Tesla envisions the Cybertruck not just a way of transportation but as a lifestyle choice, adapting to various needs and preferences. As we explore these accessories, it's worth noting that the Cybertruck's adaptability goes beyond what comes directly from Tesla. A multitude of Cybertruck-inspired projects globally, such as the Cyberhouse, showcase the impact of this electric pickup on diverse industries and creative minds. Whether it's camping in the wilderness or residing in a Cybertruck-inspired dwelling, the possibilities are expanding. The road to production was no joyride. Delays, supply chain issues, and the inevitable impact of the COVID-19 pandemic pushed back the Cybertruck's debut. But finally, in July 2023, the first Cybertruck rolled off the line at Gigafactory, Texas. The delivery event in November marked a milestone, showcasing the first production examples handed over to eager customers. However, don't expect a Cybertruck convoy just yet. Mass production is slated for 2024. Let's rewind the clock and dissect the journey this groundbreaking pickup took to get here. The journey from concept to production for the Cybertruck has been as unconventional as its design. Originally set to go into production in 2021, external factors, primarily supply chain challenges exacerbated by the COVID-19 pandemic, forced Tesla to push the timeline to 2022. January of 2023 saw Musk confirming reports that the Cybertruck would finally start production that year, a moment eagerly awaited by enthusiasts and skeptics alike. In July 2023, the first finished example of the Cybertruck rolled off the production line at Gigafactory, Texas, marking a significant step in turning Musk's vision into reality. The delivery event in November created a buzz, with the first production examples handed over to customers who had been patiently waiting for their metal giant. The excitement was palpable and the Cybertruck finally hit the streets, albeit in limited numbers. But before you start scouting for Cybertrucks on the road, hold your horses. Mass production, the phase where the Cybertruck will become a more common sight, is projected to commence in 2024. Until then, the early adopters enjoy the privilege of being the first to experience this automotive marvel on the streets. Now, let's address the elephant in your bank account: the Cybertruck's price. Musk's initial promises of an affordability took a turn, and the current figures reveal a different story. We'll break down the cost for each variant, comparing the initial promise to the reality on the reservation page. With 1.8 million pre-orders requiring only a $100 deposit, the big question remains: is the Cybertruck's performance worth the price tag? Stick around to find out. Tesla's pricing strategy for the Cybertruck has been a roller coaster of expectations. When first announced, Musk teased a paradigm-shifting vehicle that would be surprisingly accessible. The single-motor model was touted to start at an affordable $39,900, with the dual-motor and tri-motor editions at $49,900 and $69,900 respectively. However, reality has a way of adjusting expectations. Following the delivery event, the Cybertruck's reservation page lists a $60,990 starting price for the rear-wheel drive model, $79,990 for the all-wheel drive model, and a whopping $99,990 for the Cyber Beast. While these prices aren't outlandish, especially considering the high-powered EV market, they are significantly higher than the initial promises. Though requiring only a refundable $100 deposit, the sheer volume of interest demonstrates the impact this electric pickup has had on the automotive landscape. The big question lingering in the minds of potential buyers is whether the Cybertruck's performance justifies the revised price tag. As we compare the promised affordability to the current reality, it becomes evident that the Cybertruck has evolved from an accessible option to a premium electric pickup. The success of this paradigm shift in pricing will depend on how many of the 1.8 million pre-orders transition into actual purchases. If even half decide to leap, the Cybertruck could secure its status as an undeniable hit in the electric vehicle market. As we wrap up our electrifying journey through the Cybertruck's intricacies, one thing is clear. Whether you love it or question it, the Cybertruck is a game changer. Its controversial design, impressive performance, and unique features have ignited conversations worldwide. With mass production on the horizon, the roads are about to get a lot more interesting. The Cybertruck's impact goes beyond its immediate presence on the streets. It challenges not only the conventions of an automotive design but also the expectations surrounding electric vehicles. Tesla, under the helm of Elon Musk, has once again disrupted the industry, proving that innovation doesn't adhere to traditional norms. The electric revolution promised by Musk has materialized in the form of the Cybertruck. Its unconventional design, powerful performance, and adaptability through accessories have reshaped perceptions of what an electric pickup can be. Whether it's towing capabilities that rival traditional gas-powered trucks, a striking exterior that defies norms, or a futuristic interior that balances functionality and space, the Cybertruck offers a glimpse into the future of automotive engineering. Before we sign off, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more tech adventures, and drop your thoughts on the Cybertruck down below. Stay charged, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next electrifying episode.